Today, let's draw a friendly penguin in 6 easy steps. Let's go! Step 1. Draw a round hill. Make it nice and smooth at the top. Close the bottom with a soft smile shape. Draw a small tunnel inside for the penguin's tummy. Draw 2 little buttons for eyes. Draw 2 short lines on the side for the wing. Draw a tiny triangle pointing to the side. Draw 2 short feet at the bottom. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.